6600, so I'm new to the Flex world and all of its features, even though I'm using a previous model. And one of the things I was really excited about in getting this radio was the fact that I could hook my Electro-Voice RE20 microphone up to this radio and actually be able to use it. The radio, HF radio I had before, I would connect it and the audio would just be a little bit too hot. I couldn't really tone it down enough to be able to use it, so I had to use a desk mic, regular desk mic, and had to have two mics on my desk. Well, I switched to the Flex radio and it has the balanced input and it works really well. The only problem I ran into was trying to speak to have a QSO on 10 meters with a neighbor of mine who's less than a mile away from me, air miles, and I was really overdriving and distorted. I was able to get it adjusted and it was pretty decent, but in the meantime I switched to the Yaesu hand mic until I could get the settings and the audio adjusted. Well, one of the things that I figured out from this is I really like, I have a foot switch connected to the PTT, but I also really like having something on the desk that I can press to be able to toggle the PTT. That's something I can find fast if I'm kind of lose my foot switch or just whatever that I want to do. I kind of go back and forth depending on what I'm doing. So I connected the hand mic and everything. Well, when I disconnected it, of course, I only have the one PTT port. So I went and got a splitter, an RCA style splitter, connected it to the back of the radio. I now have the hand mic connected to the radio. It's on the desk and it's handy. I also have the balance line input connected to the radio, and I have a foot switch. So I have all these things connected. This gives me, so whenever I have the radio in balance line, which I think I have it on mic right now, when I have it on balance line, then this gives me the ability that if I want to toggle the transmitter, all I got to do is key this mic. The mic itself, that side's not active when you're switched to balance line, either up here or you can do it in the face of the radio. I like using the software. But whenever the balance line is active, then the only audio it's going to hear is through this microphone right here. And then that also enables me to leave the hand mic connected should I need to make the switch. And for whatever reason, make the audio a little bit better for closer communication. Sometimes I run an amplifier, and this mic can get a little bit hot, and it sounds like I've got RF coming back down the line. And those are things that I'm working on. But in the meantime, I've got two mic options, and I've got two PTT switch options.